January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. বৈশাখ, বৈশাখ, জ্যৈষ্ঠ, জ্যৈষ্ঠ, আষাঢ়, আষাঢ়, শ্রাবণ, শ্রাবণ, ভাদ্র, ভাদ্র, আশ্বিন, আশ্বিন, কার্তিক, কার্তিক, অগ্রহায়ণ, অগ্রহায়ণ, পৌষ, পৌষ, মাঘ, মাঘ, ফাল্গুন, ফাল্গুন, চৈত্র, চৈত্র. Here are the 12 Arabic Islamic lunar calendar months. Muharram, Muharram, Safar, Safar, Rabi' al-Awwal, Rabi' al-Awwal, Rabi' al-Akhir, Rabi' al-Akhir, Jumada al-Ula, Jumada al-Akhira, Jumada al-Akhira, Rajab, Rajab, Sha'ban, Sha'ban, Ramadan, Ramadan, Shawwal, Shawwal, Dhul Qa'da, Dhu al-Qa'da, Dhul Hijjah, Dhu al-Hijjah. Here are the 12 Arabic Islamic lunar months written in Bengali script, along with their names in the international transliteration for better understanding. Arabi Mash, Arabic month, Bangla Uchcharon, Bengali pronunciation, Antarjatik Uchcharon, international transliteration. Muharram, 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 Safar, 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 Rabi' al-Awwal, Rabi'ul Awwal, Rabi' al-Awwal, Rabi' al-Awwal, Rabiul Akhir, Rabi' al-Akhir, Jumadad, Ril Ulad, Jumada al-Ula, Jumada al-Ula, Jumada al-Akhira, Jumada al-Akhira, Jumada al-Akhira, Ragib, Rajab, Rajab, Shaban, 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 Ramadan, Ramuzan, Ramadan, Shawwal, 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 Dhur al-Qa'da, Jilqad, Dhu al-Qa'da, Dhur al-Hijjah, Jilhaj, Dhu al-Hijjah. Would you like to know the significance or major events of any of these months?